What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess we had a wonderful trading week, like I had one, and I guess we're preparing ourselves on this week and for the next trading week, right? This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, there's going to be a market weekly outlook for the coming week. I'm not sure what date it is, but we're going to be looking for potential direction for the next coming week. Financial disclaimer, everything I say or do is entirely based out of my own opinion and my own personal experience. It might happen. What I'm talking about or information I'm sharing can happen or could sometimes not happen. The only thing we can manage to do, stay disciplined, stay patient, stay committed, and most of all, trust the process, right? So looking at the NAS, that's going to be the first page that we're focusing on, which is the NAS, right? The NAS, you can simply tell that price is bullish. Price is bullish. Price is bullish, right? So I want to show you guys history first before we continue moving with what was happening, what's currently happening right now. So let's take kind of like at this Let's stay kind of like at this resistance, right? And hit this support and continue to the upside. Came back below resistance, tapping, 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 and pushing impulsively to the downside, right? So this is a previous zone, right? But looking at what currently happened and what is currently happening, you can simply tell that the NAS, we did look for bullish trade above our highs or above this higher high, we were looking for a lower high or a higher low, anticipation of a new higher high. So price did give us that, price did respect it. So all I'm trying to share today, or all I'm trying to say is, or what I'm looking for the coming week of the next, it's that because price is impulsively bullish, or is impulsively moving to the upside and has closed above our previous zone, all I can say is I'm either looking for the daily pullback, that retest of this very same zone, if price can come back, if it happens, or right, okay, I'm simply looking for that retest to continue bullish, or I'm just simply looking forward for price to create that higher low, respect the high, create that low. Okay, I'm looking for price to create that higher low, right? Create that low, respect that low, give us signs of an anticipation of a continuation of a new higher high to the upside. Or if price now gives us that bullish depletion and that bear momentum above below our very same zone that we're looking at, then we'll anticipate what that potential reversal to the upside. But either way, all I'm trying to say is the NAS is simply bullish. Price is simply moving to the upside. Price is breaking highs, price is making new highs, and price is respecting previous highs. With that being said, the NAS is simply bullish, but I'm simply looking for that retest of the zone that it broke or that higher low formation to continue to the upside. Looking at gold, I won't say much. Gold, I simply won't say much, but we can simply tell that gold is breaking lows. We simply had this intraday support or this zone that we were looking to be bullish above of it and be bearish below. You can simply tell that gold did break out and came back for a retest to close our week. So all I can say is, or all I'm looking for right now this coming week, it's that if gold continues bullish, then I'm looking for price to break above, have that retest above, anticipation of a continuation to the upside. Or if price is simply looking to be bearish, then let's see if price gets here. What are we going to see? Will price respect the zone and move to the downside? Or are we simply going to break the lows and look for a new lower low anticipation to the downside? And that will be it. So on gold, I'm simply bearish, but I'm looking for signs, or I'm looking for confirmation into why I need to be bearish this week, right? Looking at German 30. Looking at German 30. So German 30, I also won't cap a lot. German 30, I also won't say much. But you can tell that price has this previous highs, right? We once had this highs, this price has been respecting and pushing to the downside while it tapped until price broke above and came for a retest and looked for price to give us those new highs. So with price pushing impulsively to the downside, creating this form of rising wedge and impulsively breaking to the upside to end our week, I did share this with my COT community. We did eat and we enjoyed the week, right? We had this rising wedge and we had price breaking above. We look for anticipation of a continuation to the upside, and that was it. So all I'm saying is this week, because price is trading below a previous zone, this major zone that I'm talking about, this previous major zone, people, you guys saw it. I'm simply looking for price to give me signs. Are we gonna simply break above to look for continuation, or will price respect this low and do what and move to the downside, like price has been tapping and pushing, or like the way it's been doing? So German 30, my trade idea, it's that simple. I'm simply bullish above that zone and I'm bearish below. So with the depletion, with the bullish depletion and the bear momentum, we simply be bearish. But with price breaking above the bullish momentum will still hold the markets and continue above, and they're going to simply be it, right? Looking at US 30. So US 30, I also won't say much because US 30, you guys know it. We have the support. We have the support that price has formed, and we have this intraday lows that price has been printing out, right? So now all I can say is price had this bear channel moving to the downside, right? And price had more. Okay, price had this bear channel moving to the downside, and price had multiple rejections to the low on our lows, right? Creating that sort of zone or that intraday support or that supply or demand zone, whatever that you say it is. When price broke above off of our what, off of our channel, and broke above off of our lows, right? So with that being said, with price impulsively pushing to the upside, this gives us a few signs that price is bullish. One, we broke our bullish channel. Two, we broke above our lows that price has been printing, right? So with that being said, all I can simply say this week, or all I'm looking for this week, is to be bullish above this zones and continue bearish if price fails to break above and look for the reversal. So I'm just simply looking for something like this to tap right there and move to the downside, right? Or for price to just broke below and move to the downside, or for price to come back to the support and fail to break and move to the downside. And they're going to be it, people. They're going to be it. That gonna be it. Not looking for much, not looking for less. Just keeping my trading simple, straight legit, and straightforward, and just simple, right? So looking at USD CAD. USD CAD, I also won't say a lot, but I just want to show you all history. We once had price creating those highs, right? And impulsively pushing to the downside. Now price came back to those previous highs and kind of like reacting off of those highs, right? So all I can say is, because when you're looking at current price, this is our higher high, right? We might be having that potential higher low to continue to the upside only if price breaks above this high. Not only this high, but the previous highs, right? Giving us stronger confirmation, right? But all I can say is, or all I'm looking for my trade idea, is to just be bullish above highs and be bearish below resistance. So because price now is reacting to our lows, if it happens that price just holds this bear move to the downside, breaking below of our resistance, then that's when we can look for stronger continuation to the downside. But if price comes back right there and reacts off of it, then that won't be it, right? But all I'm looking for is for price to break above this highs, looking for new highs with an anticipation of a higher high, right? Or for price to come back below of our resistance, giving us stronger confirmation into saying we have the Canadian dollar strength and we have that US dollar weakness, right, people? And they're going to be it. So looking at Tesla, I simply won't say much, but price is trading above our what? Above our major support. So with price trading above major support, we simply look for that retest above to continue moving to the upside. But if price breaks below again, then we look to be bearish again, and that won't be it, right? Looking at Bitcoin. So, people, Bitcoin, let's remember very well on Bitcoin that Bitcoin has a neckline, which price has been respecting that neckline, right? Breaking below and breaking above, breaking below, breaking above, breaking below, breaking above, breaking below, and breaking above again. So, all I can say is now, because now price has created some sort of intraday resistance, right? Some sort of intraday support zone. All I can say is, because price has created that intraday support and that intraday resistance, if price feels breaking above, I'm just simply looking for something like this. If price feels breaking above, then we look for a reversal to the downside. But if price breaks above, we look for a retest to continue to the what? To the upside. But if price pushes to the downside, we then look for that reversal to the upside if price feels breaking above. If price feels breaking below, and we look for what? for continuation to the downside if price breaks below off of our intraday support zone, and that won't be it. Just like I'm saying on my trade idea, I'm just looking to be bearish below resistance and be bullish above support, because price has been tapping and pushing, tapping and pushing, tapping and pushing, tapping and pushing. If price feels breaking out, breaking above, then I look to be bearish. If price feels breaking below my support, then I look to be bullish. And there won't be eight people. Just keeping it simple, straight, legit, and just simple. Looking at Ethereum. So Ethereum, I just won't say much, but Ethereum is below my resistance. So all I'm saying is on my trade idea, I'm simply bearish below resistance and I'm bullish above, just like I'm saying on every day. If price feels breaking below above, then I look for that reversal. But if price breaks out, it comes back for a retest, then I look for continuation to the upside on Ethereum, and that won't be it. Looking at Litecoin. So that coin, I won't say much, but you can simply tell that price has created that price printed out that falling wedge pattern and broke up after that falling wedge. Me and my team did it also on this one. So people, Friday was the best trading week. Friday was the best trading day, people, of 2023 so far. Friday, because price has created patterns, prices gave a sense of potential reversals, and price has played out the way it printed everything out, right? And that was just a wonderful trading week. But we continue. Prices created that falling wedge pattern, and price broke above. We look for anticipation of a continuation to the upside. So if my team did share my TPs on my Discord, because I haven't been around so much this week, but we did analyze and we did do everything. If my team was around my Discord, they did share results, then I will show this results. But you can simply see that price is kind of like below my resistance. So all I can say is we're just simply looking for price to do something like this to continue bullish, or for that reversal if price feels breaking above, and that will simply be it. So I'm just looking forward. I'm looking to be bearish below resistance and be bullish above, with bullish depletion and bearish momentum. This is how I feel to break. We just be bearish below resistance with bullish momentum to the upside, breaking above this resistance. Then we simply continue bullish above our resistance. Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, people, you can simply see that oil has created this bullish channel. One, people, oil has created this bullish channel, right? Two, oil broke below this bullish channel. Three, oil is trading below our zone. Four, if oil breaks above, if oil breaks above this zone, then I simply continue bullish. But if oil feels breaking out, then I look for a stronger reversal to the downside based on what? Price having this bullish channel and price breaking below this bullish channel, price trading below our zone, and price giving me a confirmation that we're failing to break above our zone. Then I look for the reversal to the downside. There will be it. So people, that's my trade idea. This is what I'll be looking for this coming week. This is what I'll be looking to trade. I'm looking to be bullish above, looking to be bearish below, looking for the breakout, looking for that fail to break, looking for the momentum, looking for the depletion, looking for those patterns, those higher lows, those lower lows, those confirmations, those reversals. And most of all, I'm looking for pure price action this week. Without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.